Hey friends! Welcome to English Smart Practice. We've got a great story to help you learn real English naturally.
First, listen and enjoy the story. Then, we'll explain the most useful words and phrases. Let's begin.
Story. Hi, I'm Lily. I wanted to cook dinner for my family last night. I chose to make spaghetti with tomato sauce. I found a recipe online and bought everything I needed. It looked easy. First, I boiled the pasta. Then, I started the sauce. I cut onions, garlic, and tomatoes. I put them in a hot pan with oil. Everything was going well until I added salt. Too much salt. I tried to fix it by adding water, but it didn't help. Then I forgot the pasta on the stove. It cooked too long and became soft and sticky. When I served the food, my brother said, "It looks interesting," and my dad smiled but didn't say much. We all ate a little, but no one asked for seconds. I was embarrassed, but we laughed together. My mom said, "It's okay. Cooking takes practice." I agreed. Next time, I'll follow the recipe more carefully.
Words and phrases.
Recipe. A set of instructions for making food. It tells you the ingredients and how to cook them. Example, I found a great recipe for cookies online. Boil. To heat a liquid until it is very hot and bubbles rise to the top. Example, you need to boil the water for the pasta. Put in. To place something inside something else. Example, after you cut the fruit, put the pieces in the big bowl. Pan. A flat metal container used for cooking food on a stove. Example, I cooked the eggs in a hot pan. Cut. To use a knife or scissors to make something into smaller pieces. Example, please cut the bread for the sandwiches. Sticky. Something that stays on your fingers when you touch it, like glue or jam. Example, the candy was sticky on my hands.
Served. To give food or drink to someone. This is the past tense of serve. Example, she served dinner to her family.
Embarrassed. Feeling shy, uncomfortable, or bad because of something you did. Example, they were embarrassed because they arrived late to the party.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.